Are you seeking ways to make money online? Well, you've come to the right place. Who doesn't want to make thousands of dollars by just copying and pasting photographs on the internet? As we all do during this pandemic. We've come to find ways to make money online while being able to work from home. Now that things are gradually returning to normal, we have preferred not to work in office settings, waking up early and sitting in an office chair for more than 8 hours. Who wouldn't want to when earning online is possible for you and me? This means that we can both earn and enjoy our freedom. Traveling whenever we want without stressing ourselves over paperwork. It's possible that you won't need to work at all, and will just wish to do basic online tasks like copying and pasting to earn money. How exciting is that? Are you interested in learning new ways to earn money online? Well, keep watching. Money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Now let's get back to the video. This website that I'll be showing you has already assisted people from all over the world in generating money on a regular basis in the tutorial that follows. I'll teach you how to generate money without investing a lot of time or effort, but before you watch the video, keep in mind that this will not make you insanely wealthy. And it is not recommended as a long-term income source. Now let's get right to it and see how you can do it. The first website I'll show you is TemplateMonster.com. TemplateMonster.com is a digital marketplace where you can buy and sell a variety of digital assets, such as WordPress designs, Shopify designs, HTML or website templates, and many more for free. The website Template Monster is viewed by 1.3 million people per month, which is a large number of people, so it's safe to assume that it's a popular, widely used website. For one thing, it doesn't require you to buy anything from Template Monster. Instead, we'll have to work on here. And this is mainly because there is 100% free software that I'll share with you later that will specifically do everything for you in a specific type of service that is frequently requested on this site. And because software does everything for you, you don't really need the skills most of the time. You can't get paid on a site like this if you don't have any design talents. But thanks to the tool that I'll be showing you in a few minutes, you can get paid even if you don't have any design skills or expertise. It sounds fantastic, right? You also don't have to worry because the website is made available all over the world, making it accessible to all of us. Let me show you how you'll be making money on this website. You'll be selling resume templates, and I'd like to show you individuals who are making a lot of money doing it. To see the numbers for yourself, click on All Products on the upper left corner over here. Toggle your mouse over Graphics and then click on Resume Templates. That will take you to this page where you can see that the guy I identified is charging at least $15 and has over 400 sales. As you can see at the top here, implying a total profit of over $6,000. This is far from the only good example. This person charges $20 and has over 600 sales, implying a total profit of at least $12,000 from selling resume templates. As you can see, these are just two of the many examples you can look at for yourself. If you look at it closely, you can make a lot of money by just selling these templates. You have not only increased your income potential, but you have also decreased the amount of effort required, knowing that a large number of people from all over the world had leveraged a large amount of money on this platform. Once you've arrived at this website, click the Start Selling button in the upper right corner. On the next page, you'll want to select the author here because we won't be paying anyone. Then either enter your email address and password in these two boxes over here. Then tick this box indicating that you agree to their terms. Finally, you may either establish an account below or join up using your Facebook or Google account, which is much faster and more convenient. If you choose the first option, go to your Gmail account and find and open a message from a template monster that looks like this. Then click on the confirm email link below to finish the process and log in to your brand new account. When you log in, they'll ask you to add information to your public profile. If you click on the public profile tab, you'll see that you'll have to add a public name, a photo of yourself, and select what country you're from. And that's pretty much it. So here's what you need to do. First, click on products, then create a new product here. Then select the relevant category, which for us is resume templates, and then click next. Now that you've done that, it's time for me to show you the platform where you can have those resumes written for you so you can get good pay. Here's the site I mentioned at the beginning of the video, Crello.com. And what it basically is a place where you can design various things, such as a fantastic Instagram post using the thousands of templates this site has to offer, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, and so on. But more importantly for us, resumes. When you first arrive on this site, the first thing you should do is sign up. All you have to do now is click on sign up in the upper right corner. Fill out some information and that's it. Once you've registered in, all you have to do now is type your resume into this box and press enter. Then this site will show you thousands of resume templates that you can charge $15 to $25 for each. And they're all done for you with virtually little work on your part. So you don't need any talents in any event. All you have to do now is pick one of these templates. Simply tweak them to make them look as beautiful as possible. Then save them to your computer by clicking the download button below. To finish the procedure, simply return to Template Monster, publish the resume template, and charge your money. Then repeat the process. You can do this with as many templates as you want to earn as much money as you want. It's that simple.